This is the Audi Q5. Came from another shop. Came like this. So we going to put it together, fix the engine. I don't know why they have it like that. The owner just took it from the other shop and brought it to us to put it together. So we're cleaning it, and we're going to put the new pistons, the new piston rings, and we're going to put it together. 2015 Q5, Audi Q5. Here we're putting the Audi engine together. Here Mr. Marine, chef mechanic. We're putting the timing for this. It's very easy. The way it's marked, you have to. Okay. You see the color? This is the point of this. This here, and here for the balancer. This is two balancer. Okay. And here, see on this mark. Now this mark is go with the other chain for the camshaft for the top. This one here for the balancer. Here and here. This is for the bottom balancer timing mark. Q5, Audi Q5 timing mark. See, very easy. If you remove these bolts, at the bottom it is 2 mark. It is 3 mark. You have to. The one at the bottom is 2. You have to put the 2 point and the third one a point. I will show to you how you put it. If you got stuck and you remove this by mistake, you have another mark on the bottom. But if you don't touch it, you don't have a problem. Here, you see? This, if you remove the bottom, you see it have 3. 1 on one side and 2 on the other side. But now, because you don't touch this, you put the chain, it will guide you. Here we put the heads in. The mark is still the same on the bottom. I will show you now how we put the chain and the 2 cam up. The mark is right there. There's 2 black mark. It's going to be on the camshaft. Then I will show it to you in a bit how we put it together. Here we put in the lifters for the camshaft. Okay, the mark here we have. This is the mark for the right side, the right cam. This is the left cam mark, and you have here, you can see it on the bottom here. What is the chain is in black? If you see it, for the mark, you see it. That's it. This is for the cam, for the crank to the cam. You cannot miss it. And the other one, we did it inside for the first video. So this is it. Q5 Audi. Here now we put the camshaft. This is the cover there. Already we put it. It's all on timing. Here at the bottom on timing. And all on timing. Now we put the cover. The cover right there on silicone is enough, and that's it. We'll put the bolts now and we'll show you see, it's not bad. Here we have the engine all covered before we put it in the car. this car came with the engine in the trunk from a customer. This is the way it came. We never took it apart. All the engine was apart and it was in the trunk, and I had to put it all together. Hopefully Monday we install the high fuel pressure pump, install the exhaust, install the intake, and Monday afternoon should be ready. Today Sunday. No, today's Saturday, sorry. Today's Saturday, tomorrow Sunday. Monday we'll have it. 2 days from now, we'll have it running. It's Audi Q5. This is the way it came. This is the Range Rover there. I'm waiting for the head. Didn't come yet. We want to put it together. So we have, this is another Range Rover. I'm doing the engine too.